So there's Shedeur Sanders at number 8. I've got him over Cam Ward because I think that he is more polished when it comes to just controlling the game from the pocket. Cam is very talented, and he might have higher upside and higher upside potential because of kind of that gunslinger mentality. But when you look at Shedeur Sanders and you actually evaluate like what he was able to do when the pocket was clean, what he was able to do when it wasn't clean, I think what you see is equal parts surgeon and magician. And he hurts you in both areas. You know, he's accurate down the field. The ball is on time and on target. He allows his guys to make plays. He throws the most catchable and the most accurate ball in the draft. I think he's an excellent player, and there's a reason why Colorado went from a 1-win team to a 9-win team and was top 25. And it's not all just their coach, although that helps. It was primarily because of their quarterback, Shedeur Sanders. Deion came to Boulder, but Shedeur came to play. All right, and on the field, he made them what they were as a 9-win team and in the top 25.